Welcome back to my channel Hospitality Desk. Today we are here to see how to open wine bottle. So we are here at the bar. Let's see. So we have a wine. The brand is Camas. It's a wine key opener. Before opening the wine bottle, we have to take out the label. How? We have to take out the label. Yeah. So here you have to bring this how much you can to the middle, and you have to just press down. All it has to go to the down, and you can see here we have the two steps on the openers, the first and the last. So first you have to use the first one. Here you can see, and the last you can use the last one to take it out. Yes, here the cork goes. Wow. In the beginning of this video, you already seen how to open a wine bottle. Now we are going to see how to do the decant of a wine. So we have a decanter here and the wine bottles. So basically wine decanting is nothing. It is just pouring wine from the bottle into the decanter. It's called a wine decant. So there is a benefit of decanting the wine. I'll describe that. Decanting wine help you to release the aromas from the wine. When you do decant wine into the decanter, the aromas will be released. Aromas will be come out when it will be touched into with the oxidants come, then it will be release the aroma. Help to balance the acidity or the tannins of the wine. Next, it will increase the flavors. So the great flavor will come out when you decant the wine. So flavors will be come out. You will understand the which grapes it is. Now I am going to show you how to decant the wine. Amos, the decanter.